There we go. Right there. This is a Charleston, and Feeney's, this is your house right here. I'm up here at Jake's house and his boys. I'm gonna walk around. It's raining here in Kentucky. Isn't there, what is that Kentucky Rain song? What is it? I need to sing a song. This Kentucky rain keeps on falling, keeps on calling my name. Look at there. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look at these guys. That's beautiful, man.
Randy, what'd you have on the way up here?
They think I'm drunk. Look at them. Gotta love these guys. All right, mini split. Look at that board and batten. This is a Charleston, 30 foot long. Look at that sucker. Yes, I'm so proud of these homes. This design, the corbels and brackets right there, the overhangs, and they've got a Birmingham inside that they're framing. Now the ladies are inside cleaning, so I don't get to make me poke my head in there. Hang on, everybody. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's nobody in. Look, so this is the bedroom. This is the trim. Oh, you're okay. They're cleaning it up. The ladies are. Isn't this cool? Let me wipe my lens off a little bit. All right, I'm back at it. Let me walk down here. Look at this. Come on, guys. See the caulk? See how it's all nice and tight? I know the homeowners hope they're going to watch this video. This is the bracket, the little spline that fits the siding where two butt joints are right here. Here's your outside plug. Yeah. There's your vent. Got a air exchanger up there. I'm not getting you. You're good. You're good. Up, air exchanger, your lights, your fan. What's that? Oh, and I got the other side. You're good. You're fine. I don't want to stop you guys. Beautiful. This is getting ready to be delivered, I think, picked up. Look at that bay window in the back. Another light and a star. And I love that we use the natural overhang. You know, we were out there in California and nobody's doing this stuff. Nobody's making a house with that overhang and the different texture with that color and the soffit being stain grade and polyurethane and then the colors and the corbels and the faux rafters. I sound like a used car salesman, but I'm just excited about this. It looks so awesome. You come around here. Yep, gutter's working. Look at that, both sides. Beautiful. Well, we're here in Kentucky, and I've got one inside doing the Birmingham. We got two houses in there. Yep, this is another one we're doing. You get inside, boom. I'm in here. Here's another one. Look at the air exchanger. Look at the faux rafters, the colors. See the different color. That's the copper roof. We got 13 different color arrangements that you can pick on our model homes. Man, to come up with all these colors, and man, they are popping. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look cool. And this is under construction, of course, over there. You got a Birmingham being built again, and we're going over all the details of the framing, trim, questions, and it's so cool to be able to talk to these guys and talk about carpentry and trim and overhangs and how this is all blending together. These guys, this is their life. They're building your home and they're building a life. We built this barn. Look at this barn that they have. And this is on their property. This was not on here until Incredible Tiny Homes came here and had this barn built. Is this not cool? This has given them a livelihood. This home, this Birmingham, is under $100,000. I was out in California. This home would be well over $150,000 to $180,000. This one right here, this is I think this is a Dalton. Go on our website and see what the prices are. We are $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 below any of the competitors in the country, and nothing even is coming close to this right here. And these are 10-foot wide homes. Yep, beautiful. Thank you for tuning in. I just wanted to come up here and give you guys a look at what's going on. See the egress window, it's an awning window. I'm trying to pick it apart, and I'm trying to say, hey, if there's other carpenters watching this, builders watching this, homeowners, potential customers, I'm trying to show you things that if I could find anything wrong or imperfections, I would be glad to show you. You know, they're not done caulking this. This is just the framing, and we're made to make this gap right here, and this was filled with caulk. This is what the LP representatives have told us to do. Beautiful. There's your faux rafters up underneath there. And you can see, look, there's stain grade. That soffit up there it's a poly board. We're trying not to forget anything and try to slacken anywhere. There's your gutters. We put gutters. I was in California, Dave, and nobody had gutters.
Well, it don't rain in California.
It don't rain, that's right. It don't rain in California. It rains here.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah, it's good.
All right. Thanks, guys. We'll see you.